Hello and welcome to Palatable Platter. This is Suparna and today we are going to make sabich. Sabich is an Israeli sandwich which is made with pita bread and stuffed with eggplants, hard-boiled eggs and some sauces. Usually falafel always gets the attention when it comes to Middle Eastern food. But this incredibly delicious sandwich has won my heart. It's a little messy but who cares? And before we get started, do you see that tiny thumbs up button below the video? Go hit that like button, share this with your friends and subscribe to our channel to never miss our new recipes. Now let's get started. That's it! Isn't that easy? Go try this recipe and let me know how that goes in the comment section down below. Do like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel to never miss our new recipes. Also follow us on Instagram at Palatable Platter. See you next week.